We are going to solve multi-step inequalities. So we're going to start with number 1. I am going to draw a dotted line down the inequality. I'm going to start. We are trying to get y by itself. I'm going to add 22 to both sides of this inequality. That's going to give me negative 4y is less than 42. From here I'm going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. Because I'm dividing by a negative, I need to flip this sign. So it's going to be y is greater than or equal to 10.5, negative 10.5. To graph this, I'm going to put negative 10 and negative 11 on my number line. Negative 10.5 will be right in the middle. This is going to be an open circle, and we are going to shade to the right. For number 2, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 11 from both sides of this inequality. That gives me 2/3 x is greater than or equal to negative 18. From here I'm going to divide both sides of my inequality by 2/3. You could also multiply both sides by 3/2, the reciprocal. That's going to give me negative 27. On my number line, fill this in right here. This is going to be a closed circle, and we are going to shade to the right. For number 3, there's parentheses. The very first thing we need to do is to distribute to get rid of these parentheses. So I have 7x plus 11 is greater than 9x minus 3. I have variables on both sides, so I'm going to subtract 7x's on both sides here. It's going to give me 11 is greater than 2x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. It's going to give me 14 is greater than 2x. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides. I have run out of room, so I'm going to come over here. This is 7 is greater than x. I am going to rewrite this just so that x is on the left-hand side. I have x is less than 7. So for my graph, it's going to be an open circle, and I'm going to shade to the left to the left-hand side. Number 4, there's parentheses. I'm going to distribute both sets of these. So I have negative 5y minus 20 is greater than or equal to 3y minus 12. Variables on both sides. I'm going to add 5y to both sides. That's going to give me negative 20 is greater than or equal to 8y minus 12. Add 12 to both sides. I get negative 8 is greater than or equal to 8y. Again, I have run out of room, so I'm going to rewrite this up here. I'm going to divide both sides by 8. It's going to give me negative 1 is greater than or equal to y, and then I'm going to rewrite this so that my variable is on the left. It's just easier to graph that way. So I'm going to start with my negative 1. This is going to be a closed circle, and we're going to shade to the left-hand side.